Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your health. So friends, today's video is very creative and unique in itself because the video has many usages and it has many various and broad perspectives. That is, you can use these very beautiful embroidery patterns. All of the patterns are hand embroidery flowers. All of the hand embroidery flowers are 3D hand embroidery flowers. These hand embroidery flowers can be made with the help of wool, anchor, DMC or any type of silky thread as well. Beginners who are in search of very creative and beautiful design ideas, this video collection is absolutely for you. You can design these very beautiful 3D floral patterns as an all over embroidery pattern, as a dress designing pattern for your baby girls, for your sweaters, cardigan, ponchos, neck warmers as well. You can design your accessories like mobile covers, mobile cases, accessories like bags, handbags, grocery bags, school going bags, cosmetic bags, vanity bags. And the scope is not only limited to this. You can make these very beautiful floral embroidery patterns to give a more creative and enhanced look of 3D onto your handmade, hand knitted shoes, footwear. And the creativity is not only limited to this. You can use these very beautiful 3D floral embroidery patterns for your home decor like cushion cover, pillow cover, tablecloth, bed sheets, quilt covers, and many more creativities as per your choices. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and hope to see you soon back in my channel with a new video. Up till then, take care of yourselves and thank you so much for watching.